Hi everyone, welcome back to Moon Reading Room. Today I'm excited to start something special with you. 30-day journaling challenge. If you've started journaling before but stopped, then this video is for you. For the next 30 days, we will build a simple, easy journaling habit together. And let me start by sharing why journaling is so powerful based on my experience and why I think you should give it a try. And journaling helps clear your mind. And it gives your thoughts a place to go. Out of your mind, out of your head, and onto paper. And I use a simple notebook with no date, just blank pages. And sometimes you will write a lot, sometimes you might write just one sentence. Both are perfectly okay. It's not about writing beautifully or perfectly. It's about showing up for yourself. And over time, journaling can help you, one, feeling calmer and understand yourself better and notice your feelings and discover what's truly important to you. Do you know what is the best part? It only takes a few minutes a day. So why am I suggesting a 30-day challenge? Because starting any new habit takes time. Journaling once or twice is great. But if you journal every day for 30 days, something shifts. It starts to become part of your daily routine. And just like brushing your teeth or making your morning coffee. And after 30 days, journaling might feel natural, like it belongs in your day. And don't worry, if you miss a day, that's totally okay. And this challenge isn't about being perfect. It's about progress. And even the attempt to write is a win. And how this challenge works. So for the next 30 days, you will write in your journal once a day. You can write in the morning, at night, or anytime you feel right for you. And I will share a list, like simple questions and prompts in the video. And you can find them in the description below. And you can also download as a PDF. It's very easy, beginner-friendly questions. And if you're someone who often staring at a blank page and thinking, what should I write? These prompts will help you get started. And each day, just pick one question from the list and follow the prompt or write whatever is on your mind. No rush, no pressure. And you don't need a fancy notebook, and any notebook or piece of paper or even the notes app on your phone works perfectly. And try to write for 5 to 10 minutes. That's it. So now let me share the first 10 simple questions to give you an idea of what you can write about during this challenge. The full list of 40 prompts is in the description below. So these are easy and gentle questions, perfect for getting started. Prompt number 1. What's one thing you're grateful for today? It could be your morning coffee or a short walk around your neighbor or even the sunshine. At first, it might feel hard to find something to be grateful for, especially when you're going through a difficult time. But I promise this practice helps us notice and appreciate the small things around us. Prompt number 2. How are you feeling right now? In one word or one sentence. No need to explain, just name the feeling. Naming your emotion helps you see more objectively, like stepping outside the swirl of emotions for a moment. And prompt number 3, what's one small thing that make you smile today? It can be as simple as a friendly smile, a funny video, YouTube shorts, or your pet doing something cute, or seeing an elderly couple walking together in the neighborhood. Sometimes the little moments are what brighten our day the most. And prompt number 4, what's on your mind right now? Whatever thoughts you have, no filter. It could be a grocery list, or people you need to text today, or chores you need to do today, or anything else. Journaling captures what's inside your life at this very moment, like a snapshot of your mind. Prompt number 5, what's one thing you're looking forward to this week? It can be big or small, like enjoying your favorite meal, meeting a friend, or taking a walk outside. For me, I'm looking forward to my piano lesson on Thursday, checking how my practice went this past week, and hopefully completing a piece I have been working on, the title signed by Eric Clapton. So taking a moment to think about what you're looking forward to can add a little excitement and positivity to you. And prompt number 6, write about a happy memory from your childhood. Close your eyes and think what moment comes to your mind. This prompt isn't meant for quick writing. You might need to pause, reflect, and take your time. And it's okay if the answer doesn't come right away. You can always return to this one later. And prompt number 7, what does your ideal day look like? Like describe what would you do from morning until night if you could choose anything. I mean, this is one of my favorite prompts because it helps me think about how I truly want to spend my 24 hours. I mean, journaling on this helped me to rearrange my daily schedule. For example, how many hours of sleep, how many hours I want to read, and how many hours I want to work each day, and so on. And it's a great way to carve out the life you want one day at a time. Prompt number 8, write a love letter to yourself. Isn't it a little funny? I think so. It might be. But this prompt is also a rare opportunity to truly praise yourself. I mean, we are often our own harshest critics. But today, take a moment, recognize what you have done well, the positive changes you've made, and the strengths you've shown. And give yourself a lot of kind words, encouragement, and maybe even a little cheer to keeping moving forward. You deserve it. And number 9, prompt. Who are the people you look forward to meeting or catching up with? Think about someone you love to have a conversation with, a friend, family member, a teacher, or even someone you haven't seen in a while. And who comes to mind? Write about why you enjoy spending time with them and what makes your connection special. I mean, when you meet them next time, what would you like to talk about or do together? And prompt number 10, what is your favorite item that always makes you feel better? It can be anything, a cozy blanket, your favorite mug, a book, or a scented candle, or even worn-out hoodies. Write about the item and why it brings you comfort, what memories or feelings it holds for you. I mean, for me, the reason my favorite item is this one, black pencil I received as a gift. And I keep it in my favorite pencil container and use it only when I read a book. I mean, it feels special every time I pick it up. So far, there are first 10 prompts you can choose from to start the journaling, and the rest 30 are found in the description below. And these prompts are here to help, but remember, you don't have to follow them. If you feel like writing about something else, that's okay too. The goal is simple. Keep your pen moving every day. And now, let me share a few very simple practical tips to help you turn journaling into a habit so it becomes a part of your daily life, not just something you try once or twice. So number 1 is write at the same time every day. Pick a time that feels easy and natural. Maybe right after your morning coffee or tea, during lunch, or before bed. Writing at the same time each day helps train your brain to remember, oh, this is my journaling time. And then number 2 tip is keep your journal somewhere you can see it. So don't hide your notebook in the drawer. Keep it on your desk or your nightstand or next to your favorite chair. So seeing it often serves as a gentle reminder, oh, I should write today. And number 3 tip is always carry your journal and a pen. And keep your journal handy in your bag or backpack so it's easy to reach when a thought pops into your mind. And having a big enough bag to carry your journal helps you stay ready to write anytime and anywhere. And these are the actual tips to write a journal entry every day. Here, the key is consistency, not perfection. Even if you miss a day, just come back and keep going. And little by little, journaling will feel natural. And now you might wonder what happens if I really stick with it. And here what I have learned from journaling. So after 30 days challenge of journaling, you will feel this way. Number 1, you feel lighter, like you're not carrying everything in your head. And number 2, you get better at noticing your feelings and notice the patterns in your life. And number 3, you start listening to yourself more. And number 4, you discover what makes you happy, what doesn't. Getting clarity on yourself. So the magic is in keep writing and express yourself on pages. So please join me. Let's do this together. So I'll be doing this challenge with you. You don't have to do it alone. And every week I will check in and hear in comments. And I would love to hear from you. How is it going? And which prompt did you like? And then what did you learn about yourself? So if you're sharing your journey, you can also use the hashtag 30-day journal with me hashtag so that we can find each other. And so please see the description below to see read all the 40 prompts. And remember, these prompts are just a guide. And if one doesn't connect with you, and skip it or write whatever on your mind. And the most important part is keep your pen moving. And before we end, here what I want you to remember, that you don't need to be a good writer. You don't need to use fancy words, and you don't need to write like neat handwriting. What matters is writing on pages and giving yourself a few quiet minutes each day to breathe and think and connect with your inside. And I hope you'll join me. So let's start this 30-day journaling challenge together, and grab your notebook and let's begin one page at a time. So thank you for being here. If you haven't already, please subscribe so that you don't miss weekly check-ins or more journaling videos. Take care and happy journaling. Bye.